Memorial Day deals, yes, Milwaukee deals, the high or the best one, which is the $2.99 and the $1.99 deals. It just started, just the hacks. Big shout out to me. I just discovered this right now. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more tour review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Also, don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we got the Memorial Day deals. M18, again, this is going to be the lower tier. M18 18 volt kits with the 5 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery and charger. It says free good with purchase. Obviously, you do get a standard charger with 2 batteries. $199. Free gift with purchase. You choose that. Excuse me. And then you can choose from the vacuum. This is a 2-gallon wet dry vacuum. Now, this is not the pack-out vacuum, but still, it's pretty good, pretty decent. Does have 4.5 stars. I personally do not have it. I have the pack-out vacuum. Is great. The next one down is the lithium dual bay rapid battery charger. So there's one of the newer ones. I believe we've seen that before, but yeah, it's still pretty new. So this is valued at $129. Next one down is the sander, $129. You got the oscillating multi-tool valued at $139. The salsa reciprocating saw, $129. And then you got the brushless cordless quarter-inch hex impact driver. I believe this is just a regular Gen 4. It's not the Surge or anything like that, at least from the looks of it. And then you got the one-handed reciprocating saw. So I would definitely hack that impact driver if you guys don't have it. The hacksaw's pretty good. I do have that thing as well. I do have that sander. Works pretty good. I would definitely go for the rapid charger. I think the best one is the vacuum, obviously. So, all right, let's go on to the other one. Let's move this one down, and hopefully I won't mess it up, because I always do mess it up. All right, here's the other Memorial Day deal that just dropped. All right, so this is the M18 high output starter kit with the 2 6 amp hour batteries and charger. So you guys know these batteries are really good batteries. This is one of my best batteries that I have. That thing, I never have any problems with it. It always works. My 12s, my 8s don't want to charge. You know how that is. But these, they do work really well. So $2.99. $2.99 is down from $3.49. Free gift with purchase. Obviously, these are hackable. So the first one is, you got the portable electric inflator valued at $179. Obviously, again, that is one of the newer tools. You got the rocket light. If you guys don't have that rocket light, go pick it up. It is big, it is powerful, and it works really well. So $2.29 for that one. Let's see what else. We have the grease gun, something we haven't seen before. Actually, I believe we have, but we don't see it as often. So this is a grease gun, a 2-speed, valued at $2.29. You have the 120 mile per hour, 500 CFM blower, valued at $179. Wasn't this 450 CFM? Did a product upgrade, or I don't know? Is this a new blower? Because the other one was, the one that I had was 450 CFM. Anyways, that's valued at $179. You got the hammer drill, half an inch hammer drill, valued at $199. I do have that thing. That thing's a beast. It should be the new Gen 4, or the newer Gen 4. You got the brushless 4.5 5-inch angle grinder, valued at $199. The brushless compact router, valued at $199. The brushless cordless jigsaw, valued at $199. Yes, guys, the mid torque is able to be hacked for around 150 bucks, I would say. Let's put that in. Let's see what I already have. This one. This one's a beast. This one will take your lug nuts off any passenger vehicle, including just a light duty truck. half ton, and so even I would think even heavier duty trucks too. This is really powerful. So this is 249 and very compact. All right, let's add it to the cart. Add it to the cart. All right, so the tool is gonna drop down to 135. Guys, go hack them, guys. These are really good prices. So 135.86, and then the two batteries and charger is 163. That's a really good deal for these guys. Go hack them, go get them. Stock up on those batteries. Even if you have tons of batteries, you know your batteries are getting old. So like just like mine are breaking down. I already have like 4 or 5 years already with mine, and I've been using them on and off. And the bigger batteries tend to go bad. So yeah, so stock up on these batteries. 163 for the kit, and the tool is 135. Guys, that's it for today. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help on YouTube. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. And don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.